beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I got this super romantic style. Like, I did this style for my birthday this year and I didn't record a tutorial, so I feel like you guys were kind of owed this video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. This hair is from Megalook and they did send me this unit and they are sponsoring today's video. But as always, all thoughts on the unit are always my own. And I showed you guys how to finally get rid of the ripple. It all comes to here. Now we know. So if you want to see how to install your lace and make it look this bomb, get the style, and to fix that ripple in your lace, go ahead and keep on watching and we can get on into it.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna do a hairstyle I did for my birthday. I figured I hadn't done no tutorial line, I just kinda did my hair for my birthday. So I'm gonna finally give y'all the scoop on that. Crack me open the Celsius. White peach flavor. It's alright. So I get a little rowdy. Forgive me. Today's unit is from Hermosa Hair. I went ahead and like prepped it already. So I got the back already curled. And to get the curls, I just went ahead and did my favorite curl technique, which is just some wand curls using my tapered inch barrel. I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap the hair around it. I don't have very many sections because the hair is just going to the back. So I'm just wrapping the hair around it. You can just look at the wrist motion. And then once the curl is curled, holding it, pinning it up. Repeating that whole step for the whole back of the head. And then when you get done, you should get something like this. And then as for the frontal, has a full 13x4 frontal. I went ahead and bleached the knots, but I didn't do any plucking on this unit. So I was a little excited and I started like getting the shape of the style going. I started by going around and just hot combing the hair backwards because that's like getting a little look at the canvas. And once I got that going, I went ahead and pulled the two pieces of hair that'll be the bangs. I pulled those out. Started using the hot comb. So while I was off the head, I'm just pushing the hair to the back so that when I do my ponytail in the back, it just looks very sleek and flat. This is what we got so far. All the hair is going towards the back, and I feel like this is going to be very helpful for the install. So if you ever just are about to install your wig, try to get your style together off the mannequin head. I don't like to do ponytails on the mannequin head because sometimes they don't really align, but this kind of thing I'm all down for. So I think at this point we can go ahead and install the unit. Boho liquid gold today. Oh wait, this is the back. It's really been a favorite and actually lasts a very long time. This wig comes with an elastic band. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on here as well. So I think because I'm learning that these full 13x4 frontals sometimes have a tendency to ripple, I think I'm just gonna install this unit on the head without cutting my ear tabs yet. Let's get these out of my face. Cause I can see this might be a bit of an issue. Let me see what happens if I tighten the wig. Okay, with the wig tightened a little bit, I will cut my ear tabs out first. So let's cut out these ear tabs. Okay, now this is exactly what I thought was gonna happen, was that the wig was gonna fit, but the frontal was gonna be loosey-goosey. On Instagram, this girl grabbed some hair from the back, put them in a ponytail so that the wig goes down like this. Does that make sense? Oh, it actually is doing something. Okay, I feel like it's a lot going on. I'm gonna do this off camera because so much hair. Oh, it's so much hair, it's gonna piss me off. Put these two pieces, tie them in the back with a rubber band. That's about to happen. Let's see if that helps my situation. And it's not much better, but it's also not the tightest it can be, and it's also not glued down yet, but at least it's more flat to the head now. So let's get these 3 sections going and get this liquid gold down. I'm just gonna do a layer of liquid gold, and I didn't plug anything on this wig, so we're about to see like the true installability for a bleach and go. And then for bold hold, you need to use a warm air. So going in, somebody really need to wipe off their blow dryer. Like, it's kind of getting embarrassing. I'm gonna start with focusing the blow dryer on the middle section so I can tack that down first and then go sides. And then you want to make sure you're not tugging too hard. Like, I'm trying really hard to just lay the lace and not tug, press, you know? I'm just gonna pull the little 2 pieces in the back. I'm gonna blow dry with this satin band on. Let's get this mitt on. Let's get these baby hairs ready. Let's hope that this is, It ain't no ripple, y'all. It ain't no ripple. Using our purple lace melt spray, let's go around and just razor off the excess lace and then spray a little bit of this on a finger, on a spatula, whatever you gotta use, and then blow dry on a cool setting this time. Let's get these baby hairs out. Grabbing the sideburns, using my hot comb to smooth it out. And then for this part, we're gonna go in with the C-shape hot comb. Adjust as need be, like this don't need to be here. Now that I got the baby hair pulled out, I'm gonna clip it over here really quick. I'm gonna use my edge control, edge booster, and I'm gonna get this foundation of this baby hair together. It's gonna swoop in, so I kind of want it to have a nice foundation to be able to swoop into. Nothing crazy, just a little tiny swoop, and then using my hot comb, set it in stone. And then I'm gonna repeat that on the other side, and then we can get ready to do this ponytail. After we turn that scarf on, can't forget about the scarf. I've got my scarf on, I put away my pieces in the front. I've got 2 pieces of hair that's gonna stay out on the side. Now we can get to doing this ponytail, but until we do the ponytail, I'm gonna need this hair from the top, so let's go ahead and take these curls out. They probably have all failed by now, so let's really take them out. To kick off the ponytail, we're gonna be brushing the hair out fully so that when we're pulling the hair through the ponytail holder, it's not getting trapped and stuck. Once that hair is brushed out, it's time to get serious because we about to do a workout. Let's spray this Pump It Up. I'm using Pump It Up today for the sleek and shine and brushing that into the sleek position. But because I did a lot of the prep work on the mannequin head, it was very simple to get it flat to the head. So went ahead and did my ponytail and got it on the first try. Yeah. Only thing I celebrated it too hard because I was like, nuh-uh. Yeah, went ahead and went in with a little bit of Sebastian Shaper Plus spray, hairspray. And then we're going to use that spray as well to do the wraparound. The wraparound, I'm doing it kind of messy. This is kind of like a sleek but at the same time kind of messy style. Probably not, whatever. I'm gonna redo it. But before I redo it, let's throw some curls in here. I'm gonna use the same method I've been using to get the hair that I didn't get to necessarily curl. The wrap going in, and I'm wrapping it around like here, like so. And I'm just gonna repeat this on all the pieces that weren't included in that curl in the back of the head. So I went ahead and did this side of my baby hair off camera. So let's get up to speed on how I got this look. So first, let's go ahead and cut those baby hairs. You know, definitely not at a straight across angle because y'all know how I feel about that. I don't like it. I'm glad this is the shot I showed you guys because the other side don't look as good as this side. But to get this side, all I did was curl it using my little pixie flat iron. And I sprayed it with Sebastian Shaper Plus spray to give it some hold. And I'm also going to spray it again to lay them down. I'm going to be using this as a main layer of sorts. I'm also going to be using my edge control. But first I'm going to brush it out plain. And then slowly but surely it'll give it it'll have some hold thanks to the hairspray drying down. Throwing a nice little curl in there using the Sebastian Shaper Plus as my spray of choice. So I'm a good brush. Use my finger to follow through. This is what you should get. Got my ponytail. I redid that off camera as well, and I think it's a lot more slicker. And it looks like I cared this time. And I threw a couple curls in there just so it could not be as frizzy. But as for like right here, these need some curls. I'm curling this towards the base because I want the curl to like kind of poke out. You'll see what I mean in a second. We're pretty much all done here. Just gonna curl these 2 pieces and then curl our bang, and that's it. That's it. See what I mean by it like kind of comes out that way? Holding it, little hairspray. Now before we curl these pieces in the front, I want to make sure they're laying like exactly the way I want them to lay. So a little bit of hairspray off rip. My hot comb is definitely not plugged in, so I'm going to use this. Hope this gives me the same effect. And then last time I did this style, I over bleached my little parts. I'm glad that I can redeem myself. But let's spray a little bit of spray. And then for these curls, for the face framing curls in the front, you're gonna wanna kind of go in at a tilt so that it swoops right by your eyebrow. And of course, doing my little flick of the wrist motion. And I've got my, you see how I got it, girl? I can't describe this. I gotta add a little diagonal. Boom, and then repeat on the same side. I'm trying to just use my hand to frame it how I want it to lay as well. And this is pretty much the style, y'all. Let me put on some earrings and a lip. And I'll be back to hot comb this little piece right here with my Honeycombs on, okay? Okay. Got a little earring on, got a lip. Now I can do what I really needed to do. 30 inches of body wave, curls, going to the ass, a little past the ass. I'm glad I got this tutorial up for you guys. I felt bad just like kind of doing my hair and like not having a tutorial. Like that kind of seems against the rules, right? So that's my bad. I'll follow the rules next time. Look at the pony. Is she cute? Is she serving? Is there tracks? You're too close if there's tracks. You need to back up, back up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love doing my hair with you guys in person, like not voiceover style. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a like if you did. If you ever don't feel like leaving a comment, your only other option is to leave a like. That's the rules. I'm just the messenger. Leave me a like. Check out in the description box for all information on this hair. Thank you, Megalook Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring today's video. It's such a cute romantic style. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video. It's been real. Bye, beautiful.